everything I've done, everything I've made. Flip full circle, now I go a different way. And I took my pain and I threw it away. And now you always see Benny with a smile on his face. Attitude awesome, mindset positive. Went downhill, but now I'm doing the opposite. Now remember, I was choking under pressure. Now everything I do, I'ma do one better. And way back, it was nothing but a dream, something that I couldn't reach. Don't try, you'll be let down. No way, care less what you say. Just have a little faith, one day you'll be so proud. All you gotta do is believe, even if it means leaving where you came to be. And I won't forget the place I started, but where I'm gonna be ought to be uncharted.
No words, my tears won't make any room for more when it don't hurt like anything I've ever felt before. This is no broken heart, no familiar scars. This territory goes uncharted.
I can't fight the feeling, I gotta let go. Touchdown, see me in the end zone. In a different time zone, wanna catch sleep. No luck staying up cause I'm antsy. I wanna look and see the places that I haven't yet. I wanna go and meet the people that I haven't met. Get linked to a way better network. Work hard so I'm bumping up my net worth. When you see me I'm riding my own path. I'm hoping I don't crash, it's making me have a flashback. All or nothing, I'm trying to
Ok, cảm xúc của bạn khi tham gia buổi offline ngày hôm nay?
Offline khá đầy đủ người, rất là nhiều điểm lạ, mình rất là vui, trải nghiệm được nhiều thứ mới.
Chào mọi người.
Dạ, anh tên gì ạ?
Mình là Lê Huy, trên cộng đồng Cò Phím Cơ Việt Nam ạ.
Dạ.
Hôm nay thì nhìn xung quanh mọi người rất là vui và đông. Mình thấy trong những buổi offline dạo gần đây thì đây là buổi có đông vui nhất mà mình từng tham dự. Có chứ, mình sẽ tham gia thường xuyên chứ. Không khí như vậy rất là vui mà.
Dạ.